What are sectorial thematic funds? Simple explanation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Nine Figure Finance. Today we are going to understand sectoral funds and thematic funds in a simple language. These funds can offer exciting investment opportunities, but they also come with high risk. So let's understand what they are and how they work. Imagine you are building a cricket team. Instead of selecting players from all categories, you decided to choose only batsmen. If batsmen perform well, your team does well, but if batsmen have a bad day, your team struggles. This is similarly how sectoral funds work. A sectoral fund invests mainly in one specific sector of the economy. For example, banking sector funds invest mainly in banks and financial company. IT sector funds invest in technology and companies. Pharma sector funds invest in healthcare and pharmaceutical companies. Infrastructure funds invest in construction and infrastructure related business. Because the fund focuses only one sector, its performance depends heavily on that sector. If the sector grows, investors may benefit significantly. If the sector faces problem, the fund can become performing poorly. Now let's understand thematic funds. A thematic fund invests based on a broader theme rather than a single sector. Think of a theme as an idea of a trend that may involve multiple sectors. For example, imagine a fund based on the theme of India's growth. To benefit from this theme, the fund may invest in banks, infrastructure companies, manufacturing first, automobile companies, and technology business. All these companies may belong to different sectors, but they are connected by one common theme. Let's take another example. Suppose there is a theme called Digital India. A thematic fund based on this idea may invest in technology companies, telecom companies, online payment business, and software firms. Even though these companies belong to a different sector, they'll all support the same theme. This is the main difference between sectorial and thematic funds. Sectorial funds focus on one sector, thematic funds focus on a broader idea or a trend that can include multiple sectors. Now let's look at the advantages of this fund. Advantage number one, higher growth potential. If the chosen sector or theme perform well, this fund can generate strong returns. Advantage number two, opportunity to invest in future trends. Investors can participate in industries or themes they believe will grow over time. Advantages number three, focused investment strategy. These funds allow investors to take targeted exposure to specific opportunities, but they are risk too. The biggest risk is concentration risk. Since sectoral funds focus mainly on one sector, poor performance in that sector can significantly affect the fund. Thematic funds may offer slightly more diversification, but they are still more concentrated than diversified equity funds. Another risk is timing. A sector or theme may perform well for a few years and then slow down. Predicting which sectors will outperform in the future is not always easy. That's why these funds are generally considered riskier than diversified equity funds. So, who should invest in sectoral and thematic funds? These funds may be suitable for investors who understand the risk involved, have a long term investment horizon, and have a strong belief in particular sector or theme. For beginners, diversified equity mutual funds are often easier to understand and less concentrated. Let's quickly summarize. Sectoral funds invest in one specific sector such as banking, IT, or pharma. Thematic funds invest in broader themes that may include multiple sectors. These funds can offer a high growth potential but also carry higher risk. Their performance depends on the success of the chosen sector or theme. Investors should carefully understand the risk before investing. I hope this video helped you understand sectoral and thematic funds in a simple and easy way. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to 9 Figure Finance. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.